Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change username on TikTok without waiting for 30 days. So let's move to the TikTok mobile application here. Let me just pause this video and we have to go to the profile, right, which is on left bottom side. And after that we have to click on setup profile. Here you can change your name and username, right? So if I want to just change the username whatever, and after that I can save it, right? So I will just click on the cancel. But if somehow there is saying that you have to wait for 30 days, then let me show you how you can fix this. We will just go back and we will click on the three lines which is on top right side corner, and after that we will go into the settings and privacy, and here we have to click on our report a problem, and just wait for a few seconds here guys. Okay, then after that we will click on account and profile, right? And after that click on editing profile, then unable to change username, and here we have to click on the no, and there's one more option, need more help, just click on this. And here you have to describe your problem in very easy manner. So you can write, I accidentally changed my username to the wrong one, please correct my username from this to that, and just put a full stop. So this is it guys. So this is how you can report a problem, and TikTok will contact you and they will help you to change the username without waiting for 30 days, right? So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then like this video, subscribe channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.